Here I am tonight after the Uphelly in Lerwick celebrations. It was a brilliant parade. I went to the halls and I was there till 8 in the morning as everyone else was. Unbelievable. Never been to anything like that in my life. I'd highly recommend it. I hope you like the short film that I've made on it. Tonight I'm at the Clickimin Broch, which is in Lerwick. Yeah, so let's get wrapped up warm on this windy, rainy, blustery night in Shetland. Here we go. Wow, look at that. It's like an oasis. It's like an oasis. How cool is this? I'm going in, wish me luck. Whee! Wow, unbelievable. Look at that, X marks the spot, double X. I wonder what's in there. Whoa. Let's have a look. Bit dark, best turn my torch on. I just can't believe these passageways, all these passageways, amazing. Incredible. What a place. Just don't know what's round the next corner. I mean, what is that? What is that? These almost look like a little stone circle inside a broch. Don't you think? Let's check these out. Good job I brought this torch. I think I can see a way in here. I can see a little tunnel. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. I'm going in. Go, go, go. Here I'm in this Broch in the middle of the night in this tunnel here. Crazy, crazy. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Some vibe in here, man. Absolutely, absolutely amazing vibe. Some really good energy in here. Unbelievable. Never been anywhere like it. Whoa. I wonder what's in here. Let's go have a look. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch your head. Watch your head. That's the Viking reporting from the Broch of Clickimin into the Shetland Isles. Woohoo! Amazing, amazing, truly amazing. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Someone's stolen the stones out of there. Can you believe it? Scumbags, absolute scumbags. Disrespectful or what? Look at that. What a beautiful place. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. I'm honoured. I'm honoured. Whoa! Some wind this, some wind this. Windy, windy Shetland. Whee! Whoa! That was some vibe, that. Some vibe. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I walked around the outside, as you can see, and then I saw a little tunnel to go down. I went down the tunnel. Amazing. And then I got into the centre of the Broch. There was some energy in there. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That is the best example of a Broch I have seen yet to date. But I do believe on another island somewhere near here in Shetland that is the finest example. I will be visiting that soon. But that one was just magnificent. Absolutely magnificent on this dark, cold, rainy, blustery evening. But I had to do it. I had to do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Onwards to the next one. Ta-da!